St Mary's Cathedral is one of Sydney's most important heritage buildings. But ongoing damage from pigeons threatened its delicate stonework. Working with conservation experts and architects, Safe Spray designed and installed a custom stainless steel bird netting system, engineered to protect the cathedral without touching or harming the historic facade. Using discreet embedded anchors and extra fine colour matched UV netting, the system blends into the architecture while providing long-lasting humane protection. A modern solution that preserves this landmark for future generations.